पत्रों में आ रहा है तो उसी को देखते हैं हम लोग, लेकिन जो कुछ भी है उसके पूरे तौर पर जांच करके या आखिर किसी को किस तरह से फोन को लोग अपने ढंग से सुन रहे हैं या कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, उस पर कब्जा कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, ये तो पूरी बात आनी चाहिए। जब इतने दिनों से लगातार लोग बोल रहे हैं तो उसके बाद...
All right, so that was the first reaction coming in from the Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, who has backed the probe into the Pegasus issue. Now, he has also stated that there is nothing wrong in an inquiry into the claims that have been made. So, in fact, we'll once again listen into what Nitish Kumar had to say.
बात इतने दिनों से आ रही है तो इस पर जरूर बात हो जानी चाहिए, चर्चा हो जानी चाहिए। इसमें तो पहले ही दिन पूछे हैं, तो आजकल तो जानते नहीं है ये सब चीज, तो कई तरह से कौन कर लेगा, तो इसलिए इन सब चीजों पर तो पूरे तौर पर एक एक बात को देख करके उचित कदम उठाना चाहिए मेरी समझ से। लेकिन क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं हुआ है ये पार्लियामेंट में कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं और समाचार पत्रों में आ रहा है तो उसी को देखते हैं हम लोग, लेकिन जो कुछ भी है उसके पूरे तौर पर जांच करके या आखिर किसी को किस तरह से फोन को लोग अपने ढंग से सुन रहे हैं या कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, उस पर कब्जा कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, ये तो पूरी बात आनी चाहिए। जब इतने दिनों से लगातार लोग बोल रहे हैं तो उसके बारे में निश्चित रूप से इस पर मेरी समझ से जांच कर लेना चाहिए, ताकि जो भी सच्चाई हो सामने आ जाए और कभी भी कोई किसी को डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए, परेशान करने के लिए कोई इस तरह का काम करता है तो ये नहीं होना चाहिए।
All right, let me go across to my colleague Prakash Singh, who's also joining us over the phone line. So, Prakash, your first reaction coming in from Nitish Kumar, who has backed a probe into the Pegasus issue, stating, in a way, they are supposedly BJP's ally, but they are backing the claims, in a way, he's backing the claims of the opposition, who have constantly been demanding a probe into the entire issue. But before that, let me go across to Gaurav Bhatia, who's also joining us over the phone line. Gaurav Bhatia, your first reaction to Nitish Kumar backing Pegasus probe demand? All right, let me go back to my colleague Prakash. Yes, Prakash, we are getting in at that first reaction from Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar backing a probe into Pegasus issue. Remember, there has been, he's also stating that there must be a discussion on the same, because remember, the opposition has constantly been creating ruckus and demanding a probe into the issue in the parliament as well.
Well, Nitish Kumar has stated in the past as well regarding the probe pertaining to the Pegasus. And he has also said that there should be a threadbare investigation, and people and groups have been using this technology to intercept calls, which is private in nature. And any act of this kind should be avoided by any political party or groups or at the behest of anyone. That's what he has said. And he has said that, yes, that the matter should be discussed in the parliament because it's of very serious nature. It pertains to the privacy of any individual or any organization, and it should be brought in public view and public domain as to what has happened, and no one has the right to interfere into anybody's privacy. So the government of India should look into it and take all necessary action and measures. And remember, JDU is an ally of the NDA. And after caste-based census, they've already demanded, which the BJP is opposed to. Now this Pegasus investigation with the JDU Supremo is demanding, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, also goes to show that he's taking a different line contrary to the BJP. So JDU clearly demanding, and that Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar demanding that there should be a probe into Pegasus.
All right, thank you so much, Prakash, for getting us that update. We'll once again listen into what Nitish Kumar had to say.
टैपिंग की बात इतने दिनों से आ रही है तो इस पर जरूर बात हो जानी चाहिए, चर्चा हो जानी चाहिए। इसमें तो पहले ही दिन पूछे हैं, तो आजकल तो जानते नहीं है ये सब चीज, तो कई तरह से कौन कर लेगा, तो इसलिए इन सब चीजों पर तो पूरे तौर पर एक एक बात को देख करके उचित कदम उठाना चाहिए मेरी समझ से। लेकिन क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं हुआ है ये पार्लियामेंट में कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं और समाचार पत्रों में आ रहा है तो उसी को देखते हैं हम लोग। लेकिन जो कुछ भी है उसके पूरे तौर पर जांच करके या आखिर किसी को किस तरह से फोन को लोग अपने ढंग से सुन रहे हैं या कुछ भी कर रहे हैं उस पर कब्जा कर रहे हैं क्या कर रहे हैं ये तो पूरी बात आनी चाहिए। जब इतने दिनों से लगातार लोग बोल रहे हैं तो उसके बारे में निश्चित रूप से इस पर मेरी समझ से जांच कर लेना चाहिए ताकि जो भी सच्चाई हो सामने आ जाए और कभी भी कोई किसी को डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए परेशान करने के लिए कोई इस तरह का काम करता है तो ये नहीं होना चाहिए।
So that was Bihar's Chief Minister Nitish Kumar coming out and backing a probe into the Pegasus issue. Meanwhile, we have seen how several of the opposition MPs, including the senior Congress leaders, coming out and protesting against the government inside the parliament as well, and also stalling the proceedings of the parliament for several days now on account of the Pegasus controversy. Now we are seeing an ally of the BJP also coming out and backing a probe into the entire matter. And remember, the opposition MPs have also demanded a Supreme Court monitor judicial probe into the entire matter. We'll try to shortly go across. All right, let me go across to my colleague Prakash Singh. Prakash, if we read into what Nitish Kumar had to say, he's at the stage stating that there is nothing wrong with holding an inquiry, but at the same time, we have seen how the centre, specifically the BJP leaders, have come out and defended the government stance and in a way dismissed the claims being made by the opposition leaders.
Well, yes, now with Nitish Kumar's statement that there should be investigation as far as the Pegasus interception of calls are concerned, it has put a pressure of sort on the BJP because JDU is an important ally of the BJP in the NDA. And Nitish Kumar has categorically said that these kind of things should be avoided. And yes, there should be a threadbare, thorough probe into this, and it should be discussed in the parliament, of course, because people have been misusing technology. And there are many leaders, and as he said that he's been reading it in the newspapers, and it's an offense of serious nature if it is true, and this should be investigated properly, and everything should be brought out crystal clear in the public domain. When asked that the opposition is not allowing to run the house and they are creating ruckus, so he said that yes, it should be discussed in the parliament and there should be a threadbare investigation into this, and so that everybody is safe, and it should be brought in public domain. Back to you.
All right, stay with us, Prakash. We'll also go across to Varis Pathan, who's also joining us over the phone line. Varis Pathan, we have a first reaction coming in from Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar backing a probe into the Pegasus issue. Meanwhile, the government and the ruling BJP have completely dismissed the Pegasus project report, stating that it is just a concocted and evidence-less data.
Well, it's good now the NDA alliance also are not happy with the BJP's functioning. The entire country wants the Pegasus. Who spied? Why is Modi afraid of coming before the parliament and saying that whether we buy the Pegasus spyware or we didn't? Kindly come and answer. Because this is regarding the private personal liberty of a person. You have entered into the privacy of an individual. And there are so many reports. Our CBI chief was not spied. Ministers were not spied. Journalists were not spied. Everybody is named. So what makes the government shy away from coming before the nation and making a statement that, okay, whether we bought the Pegasus or we don't. If you have not, then why the NOC has said clearly that we sell the Pegasus spyware only to vetted governments and we don't sell it to any individual. So if the government did not, then who was spying on us? Who was snooping on us? It is against the fundamental right of the accused. It is against the IT Act. And when you are snooping on the ministers, means you have gone against the Official Secret Act as well. So this requires an investigation. Let a high probe be made by the Supreme Court. Why shy away from that?